Can I go a whole week without talking to anyone and see what happens to my brain? Spending time alone can be really interesting. Our brains are always active, even when we're not interacting with others. So, what exactly happens to our brain when we're alone? Let's dive in and explore. One common misconception about loneliness is that it's just about feeling sad or isolated. But the truth is, loneliness can affect anyone, regardless of their social status or relationships. Another misconception is that loneliness is always a bad thing. While chronic loneliness can have negative effects, short-term solitude can actually be beneficial for our brains. People often think that loneliness is a personal failing, but it's a common experience that many of us face. Research suggests that when we're alone, our brain goes into default mode. This mode is characterized by a network of brain regions that are active when we're not focused on the outside world. It's like our brain is in screensaver mode, processing information and making connections. The default mode network includes areas like the medial prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for self-reflection. When we're alone, our brain also starts to wander. This is known as the mind-wandering phenomenon, where our brain starts to drift away from the present moment and explores all sorts of thoughts and scenarios. It's like our brain is a browser with multiple tabs open, and it's constantly switching between them. Studies have shown that mind-wandering can actually help us come up with creative ideas and solutions to problems. One of the most surprising insights into the brain's response to loneliness is the role of dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that's often associated with pleasure and reward. But when we're alone, our brain actually produces more dopamine, which can lead to a sense of pleasure and relaxation. This might explain why some people enjoy spending time alone, and why it can be beneficial for our mental health. Prolonged loneliness, however, can have the opposite effect, leading to decreased dopamine levels and increased stress. In summary, being alone can have a profound impact on our brain, from activating our default mode network to influencing our creativity and dopamine levels. Taking time to understand these effects can help us appreciate the benefits of solitude. If you have any thoughts on this topic, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about the human brain and its many mysteries.